Absolute mayhem outside the Waymo depot here. That one's been stuck there for like 5 minutes. For reference, this is the Waymo depot. You can see they have these like little antenna on arms for data offload. And this is a light that is still out because of the power outage earlier today.